Our goal today is to show you how to use our news, blogs, and forums API to integrate our machine-readable web data feeds into your software application. So let's get started. I'll first log into my basic evaluation plan, which comes with 1,000 free requests per month. The News, Blogs, and Forums API is the default page. Here you can find content crawled from news, blogs, and online discussion forums. Keep in mind that this Playground API is designed for testing purposes before integrating Web's.io's API into your own application. The default output format is JSON, but you can easily get results in XML, RSS, or Excel. You can filter for posts crawled between 1 and 30 days back. For results crawled more than 30 days ago, head over to the Archive Data section, which we'll cover in a separate video. Results are sorted by crawl date by default, but you can change the sort parameter in the Sort By dropdown. At the top, you can review your past queries and other preloaded sample queries. Let's click on this example to find the news articles and blog posts with at least 100 Facebook likes that also mention the word climate. And now we can see the query syntax in the editor and the endpoint URL down below, which you can plug into your own application. But now I want to narrow down the results to posts in English and filter out the comments. So I'll click on Add Filter to set the language to English and the Is First filter to True. You can see the query syntax on the editor, and the actual URL on the endpoint bar below change as well. Let's click Run. You can see your query's results count at the top, and to the left you can see the visual result displayed side by side with the query results in the default JSON output format. If you scroll further down, you can access integration code snippets in multiple languages, including Perl, Java, Node, and more. Down below, you'll find quick links to the Web's.io API documentation and other information to help you get started. To see your unused monthly request quota, click on the dashboard at the top of the left sidebar, where you can find other plans you may have and your usage stats. Down here, you can add news sources to your coverage, usually at no additional cost, unless a custom parser is required. There you go. Now you're all set and ready to go. If you need help to get started with our archive data, check out the description below for the link to the tutorial. See you in our next video.